The Milton Malbay was used to festivals. It had a Darling Girl from Clare festival. That festival ceased in 1972 or 71. And then out of the blue comes this new kid on the block, Scoil Samhraidh Willie Clancy. In the summer school, there was a belief that pipers should have a major role because Willie Clancy, well, he was best known, primarily known, as an inland piper. What the numbers are, they've gone up there.
We have 8 rooms in Jerry Harton's house, but we kind of need rooms for 12 and they only...
We came at a good time. 1973, there was a surge of interest in Irish traditional music, kind of coming on the back of the folk music and the folk song revival of the late 60s. And young people were getting involved. And along comes the Willie Clancy Summer School in 1973, where the younger generation, they met a generation of musicians who were brought up in where there were oral traditions. They learned the music at the Hearthstone, and the younger generation met that head on. Older musicians felt that maybe for a long time that they weren't that respected. They discovered a forum where they were respected. They found there was a new sense of involvement in the music and in what they loved themselves. And would we have to cap, do you think, are we coming near that? Or
yeah,
what?
Yeah, because we just don't physically have any more room. Every room is absolutely full.
The numbers began to grow. We're talking about early 70s. The numbers would be about 200 overall. In 1978, then we brought on the concertina because there was a demand for concertina. I would suggest that maybe the influence of Noel Hill could be found to be in there. But in that way, then the summer school evolved and developed. You're on early, yeah. You're on early, okay. The year is busy nearly all the way through. We begin in November officially when we're laying out the programme for the lectures. But we'd be still working and thinking about it even during the summer school of that year. Okay, John, right. We'll see you later. We'll see you tomorrow anyway if we don't see you later on.